Welcome to the Math Show for the SAT with Mr. DeClerico. Today, we're going to do a tough one that involves geometry. A right triangle has sides of length root 15, 4 root 5, and root 65. What is the area of the triangle in square units? Consider options A through D, pause the video, try this problem on your own, and unpause when you're done. Okay, I'll assume we're ready to continue. The correct answer is B, 5 over 2 times the square root of 39. Before we get to problem solving, let's look at a tip. The first thing we should do is determine the length of the hypotenuse, and we'll need to do that to identify which are the lengths that belong to the legs of the triangle. The area of a triangle is half times base times height, and that base and height are going to be legs. I'm going to argue the triangle looks like this, which means that the way that I wrote this problem is rather deceptive. You would think that these are the two legs and that this is the hypotenuse, but that is in fact not so. How can I make that conclusion? Well, let's find out. 4 root 5 is equal to the square root of 16 times 5 because the square root of 16 is 4. Root 16 times root 5 is root 80, and the square root of 80 is greater than the square root of 65. So, the area is going to be 1/2 times the square root of 15 times the square root of 65. The only problem with this is that that's not one of the answers either. So we're going to have to take apart those radicals. Root 15 is root 5 times root 3. Root 65 is root 5 times root 13. You'll notice I have these two root 5s over here. Those combine to 5 after multiplication. Root 3 and root 13 makes root 39. So that's why 5 over 2 times root 39 is my answer. If you got this one, kudos to you. If you didn't, but you learned something along the way, here's a porpoise with a purpose who thinks that you did a good job. Thanks for watching the Math Show for the SAT with Mr. DeClerico. Be sure to click subscribe, hit the like button, and all that good stuff.